Well, I did it. Here's everything you need to know from the best iPhone 17 reviews. If this is your year to upgrade, the big question is, which iPhone 17 should you buy? It can be confusing with all the new options. You have the standard iPhone 17, the brand new iPhone 17 Air, and the powerful iPhone 17 Pro. Each one is different, built for different kinds of people. This guide keeps it simple and practical so you can feel good about your choice. We will cover feel, screens, battery, cameras, colors, and price. First, how they feel in your hand. The iPhone 17 feels familiar, with squared sides that are easy to grip. The size is just right for most hands, and it feels solid and reliable. But wow, do I love the iPhone 17 Air. It is unbelievably thin and light. The difference is immediate the moment you pick it up. It feels like almost nothing in the pocket. Polished sides and a smooth back make it a joy to hold. Then there is the iPhone 17 Pro. It is heavier and feels dense and substantial. A new unibody aluminum design with rounder edges keeps it comfortable and cool. The camera bump makes a bold statement. It looks professional and serious. Colors help set them apart this year. iPhone 17, Sage Green, iPhone 17, Lavender. iPhone 17, Air, a very light blue that almost looks white. iPhone 17 Pro, silver or black with a new two-tone back. Even if you use a case, the underlying feel matters daily. Each model gives a very different in-hand experience. You use your phone all day, so comfort counts. The good news, all three are excellent. Now let's compare the screens, battery, and everyday usability. Now, the screens. They are beautiful, they are bright, they are smooth. For the first time, all have 120 Hz ProMotion. Animations and scrolling look incredibly fluid. It is a huge upgrade for the base iPhone 17. All reach 3000 nits outdoors for easy sunlight viewing. iPhone 17 and 17 Pro both have 6.3-inch screens. The Air is 6.5 inches, yet still feels compact because of its thinness. Always-on display now comes to the base iPhone 17 too. Battery life in real life. Off the charger in the morning, back on at night. Apple uses odd metrics like video playback hours. Practically all three easily get through a full day. The 17 Pro lasts the longest, rated at 33 hours of video playback. The base 17 is next at 30 hours. The thin 17 Air is 27 hours, a fair trade for its featherweight feel. For typical users, all last all day without trouble. Only heavy, constant power users may want the Pro's extra headroom. Bottom line on screens and battery, parity is high and none will disappoint. Pick the size and weight that feel best to you. For everyday life, all three cover morning to night, comfortably. Now, let's look at the cameras. Because cameras are often the deciding factor. All three have excellent 48-megapixel main cameras. They capture detailed photos with rich color. The differences are in the extra lenses. iPhone 17, main plus ultra-wide, great for most people. iPhone 17 Pro adds a powerful new telephoto for distant subjects. It delivers crisp zoom and excellent stabilized video. iPhone 17 Air, one superb main camera. Simple, effective, beautiful shots. Front cameras are identical across the lineup. A new 18-megapixel square sensor lets you switch portrait or landscape framing without rotating. Selfies and FaceTime look better than ever, no matter which model you choose. Which should you buy? For most people, the iPhone 17 at $7,999 is the best deal. It now has Pro-level features and even better battery life than the Air. The $999 iPhone 17 Air is for design lovers who want the thinnest, lightest feel. You give up a second lens and some battery for that stunning design. The $1,099 iPhone 17 Pro is for power users, photographers, and videographers. It has the best zoom, top performance, and the longest endurance. Visit a store, pick them up, and see which size and weight feel right. Whichever you choose, you cannot go wrong. Choose the one that fits your life and budget.